Good morning. I'm taking a first look at this 3-bedroom apartment in prime Hell's Kitchen, Midtown West. I'm starting out here in a very spacious and quiet living room. This is a nice space to set up your sofa, set up your dining table, watch the game, hang out with friends. And the kitchen is separate. I want to show you here that there is a nice sized kitchen. It does have a really big dishwasher for Manhattan. That thing's huge. A 4-burner gas range, a microwave, and it has plenty of cabinets. There's a second set of cabinets and counter space. So here's another angle looking at the living room. It does have 2 windows that get a lot of light, and a third window that doesn't get quite as much light. Okay, shall we do some bedrooms? Let's do some bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 1. It is really a nice big bedroom. Certainly a queen bed. I would think that if you wanted to, you could get a king bed in here. Again, it has 2 windows. It faces inward. There's an excellent place to put a desk. I have to say, that is one of the better desk nooks I've seen in a while. And here is a nice large closet. It goes pretty far deep. So here is bedroom number 1, which is located off the kitchen and dining area. It's a pretty big apartment. We're gonna head down the hall. Here is a coat closet that you can use for your guests, or because it's deep, any like sporting goods storage. Okay, so here is bedroom number 2. It is a small bit smaller than bedroom number 1, but it's still a very nice large bedroom. Easy queen bed plus desk, no problem. It faces inward. And I'm going to turn around here so you can get a sense of the space. And here is the closet. Somebody left their Christmas jammies. Gotta do something about that. Okay, that kind of made me smile. Okay, so here is bedroom number 3. This is the smaller of the 3 bedrooms, but it is still a functional bedroom. You can certainly have a queen bed in here and a small desk, small dresser, but it is a bit smaller than the other 2 bedrooms. Again, there is a window. Here is a closet. And as you can tell, there's still quite a bit of painting and cleaning and work going on here, and I can't quite get all the way into the bathroom, but there is a big tub there and a medicine cabinet. There you go.